Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to read Best Places restaurants. Best Places is a valuable resource that provides detailed information about restaurants, helping you make informed decisions about where to dine. To get started, first navigate to the Best Places website and search for restaurants in your desired location. You can filter the results by rating, distance, and cuisine to find the perfect spot. Once you have found a restaurant that interests you, click on its profile to view more detailed information. The profile will typically include the restaurant's name, address, phone number, and hours of operation. Look for the overall rating, which is usually based on reviews from multiple sources. This rating will give you a quick snapshot of the restaurant's quality and reputation. You can also read individual reviews to get a more detailed understanding of the restaurant's strengths and weaknesses. Pay attention to the categories and tags associated with the restaurant, such as cuisine type, ambiance, and price range. These categories can help you quickly determine if the restaurant is a good fit for your preferences. Another important feature to look for is the menu, which may be available on the restaurant's profile or on a separate website. Reviewing the menu can give you an idea of the types of dishes the restaurant offers and their prices. Finally, take note of any awards or recognition the restaurant has received, such as certifications or awards from reputable organizations. These accolades can indicate a high level of quality and excellence. By following these steps and paying attention to these key features, you can effectively read and understand Best Places restaurant listings, making it easier to find the perfect restaurant for your needs. Remember to always read reviews and check the restaurant's website for the most up-to-date information. With this guide, you are now equipped with the knowledge and skills to navigate Best Places restaurants like a pro and make informed decisions about where to dine.